chemical stimuli produce the sensations of smell, olfaction, and taste, gustation. The sensory stimuli that produces our sense of an odor are molecules in the air. The molecules encounter millions of olfactory receptor cells located high in the nasal cavity, which are constantly being replaced. Odor receptors are present on hair-like fibers in the olfactory neurons. Each odor receptor seems to be specialized to respond to molecules of a different chemical structure. When these receptor cells are stimulated, a neural message is created which travels along their axons, bundles of which are made up the olfactory nerves. The brain identifies odors by interpreting the pattern of receptors that are stimulated. The olfactory nerves directly connect to the olfactory bulb in the brain, which is actually the enlarged end of the olfactory cortex at the front of the brain. Axons from the olfactory bulb form the olfactory tract, which projects to different brain areas, including the temporal lobes and structures in the limbic system. Olfactory neurons are also the only neurons that directly link the brain and the outside world. Sensory adaptation to odors generally occurs in less than 1 minute. Pheromones are chemical signals that affect the behavior of other animals of the same species. The search for human chemosignals has narrowed to chemicals found in steroid compounds that occur in sweat, armpit hair, blood, and semen. Rather than affecting behavior, these chemosignals may be social signals affecting social interactions and relationships. Our sense of taste or gustation results from the stimulation of special receptors in the mouth called taste buds. Taste buds are located on the tongue, on the insides of the cheeks, and on the roof of the mouth, and even in the throat. Each taste bud contains about 50 receptor cells. When activated, the receptor cells in the taste buds send neural messages along neural pathways to the thalamus in the brain, which in turn directs the information to several regions in the cortex. The 5 basic taste categories, sweet, salty, sour, bitty, and umami, combine to form all other tastes. Each taste bud shows maximum sensitivity to one particular taste quality and lesser degrees of sensitivity to other tastes. Taste is one aspect of flavor, which also involves the aroma, temperature, texture, and appearance of food.